Hey guys, Jason the High Octane RT. So I just want to give a little update before we get started here. I went out a few days ago and checked out the 100th anniversary Charger, and it looks pretty amazing. Looks like a brand new car. That ceramic coating is pretty cool stuff. So they found a bunch of rock chips in the front bumper, which I knew were there, and instead of taking the time to repair all the chips and ceramic coat it, I'm going to go ahead and have them repaint, take the front bumper off and totally repaint it, and then once they get that done, they're going to ceramic coat the front bumper and the ceramic coating will be done. And then they'll be moving on to the other mods, which they've been working on while they're in the process of the ceramic coat. These guys are great. If anybody is in or near Lincoln, Nebraska, and you want to get some customizations done to your vehicle, GP Customs in Lincoln, Nebraska. These guys rock, and they will do a great job on your vehicle. These guys take a lot of pride in their work, and they want you to be 100% satisfied. So highly recommended by me, and my cards are going to be proof of their work. So if you're ever considering having GP Customs do any work to your car, there's going to be a ton. There already is modifications on my 100th anniversary Charger that they've done, but they're gonna have a lot of work into that 100th anniversary Charger. That's the only place that's the only place my car is gonna go. So yeah, these guys are great. If you have the opportunity to take your car there, highly recommended. GP Customs, guys. These guys rock.